Hello, traders. Thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been training for almost 4 years now, and what I do in my live streams, especially my YouTube channel, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action live based on live markets, and I also share with you guys any trading opportunities or any trading ideas or concepts that I'm currently playing with, whereby I'm also anticipating to, you know, actually take the trade on that specific pair. So if you guys are interested, like to learn to become traders, or if you guys are interested to like understand why we believe that price will be moving towards the upside, why we believe price is moving towards the downside, okay, all of those good stuff lah, you came to the right place now. I do that from Monday to Friday in hopes that I'll be able to help you guys out as much as possible to become the best traders out there as you can. I am by no means okay the best trader or anything. No, I'm not saying that, but I'm okay lah. I'm doing quite okay lah. So I'm just sharing with you guys my personal experience, especially whatever I learned for the past 4 years lah. When I say learn, right, I mean lose, huh? We learn only from our losses lah in trading. That's the hard truth of it. Okay, so we will start off today with forex currencies. We will start off with gold, guys, today. So I am actually anticipating for a buying opportunity for gold. I didn't really focus to how to say find a potential entry opportunity for gold when the week this week start lah. So this is roughly this week start. Okay, the 25th of August. Today is the second day, which is the 26th. Because if you realize, right, price was kind of consolidating. However, yesterday, guys, can you see how powerfully and how strongly price actually made a move towards the downside, and then right after that we continued a kick towards the upside. However, we are still consolidating. Okay, so hold off your potential buying opportunities for now. I'm just sharing with you guys my market bias on where I am anticipating the price to go up. Yesterday I didn't share with you guys where I believe price will be heading to and so on. The reason because uh, yesterday the market was all over the place. Okay, majority of them. It's not a bad thing. It's just the market is adapting to what happened based on last week news. For those that don't know, Powell actually came and spoke for a very impactful news, which caused a very powerful move overall. Most of the markets. If you see for gold, right, we go bigger time frame a bit. Okay, you see, this is the one, guys. See this powerful move up. Yeah, so that's what essentially happened lah. So right now patterns are quite similar, as you can see. This powerful move up, consolidation. This powerful move up, consolidation. Probably we may see a powerful move up. I'm not saying I'm correct. Okay, I can never really know, like really know where price is going to go to. I don't believe anybody besides market makers now, since they move the price, right? Besides them, okay, we never really truly understand or know where price may be making a move. I can be totally wrong, guys. Price can totally do this. Okay, price can totally just make a move towards the downside, definitely. But just based on price action and based on what I can understand as of now, especially what I'm seeing in the market, I believe for gold, we will be moving towards the upside. I not will, we may be moving towards the upside. I shouldn't use this word will. So that's why I am currently focusing on buying opportunities. But I want to see how price will respect this zone. If you can realize price is currently trading inside of the zone, which is what I like to see. However, price is not really doing much yet because why? Don't only focus on the zone, focus on the bigger picture. We are consolidating. Okay, clear? Clear as day. So most probably when New York session kicks in, right, then we will start to see the fuel lah. The only thing is, let's see if the fuel want to move down or want to move up. Okay, I will let you guys know lah if I were to enter this trading opportunity. But these are my essential targets that I am anticipating for price searching move towards to. Okay, I have two. They are very close by to each other. So this is essentially the targets that I'm currently focusing on. Okay, guys. So since we start with the forex side first, right? Let's go into AUD USD. So AUD USD is also moving, not moving lah. It is kind of creating a buying opportunity as of now. But the funny thing is, right, AUD USD is not telling me that we are ready to focus on buying opportunities. Sorry, yes, buying opportunities as of now. Currently, we are still under a bearish momentum, okay, based on AUD USD, in my personal opinion only. So that is why I did just draw the zone to understand a potential bias, okay, in terms of how price may tend to move. But it does not mean that price has to move towards the upside, because based on price action, especially in bigger time frames, we are not moving up yet. Okay, this is just something I want to analyze and understand. I also did leave targets where I believe price may be heading to. And yesterday also, guys, I shared with you guys the crypto space, right, for BTC, and I set targets. So those targets also were hit also yesterday. So I will be updating you guys later. And I personally did not really analyze the crypto space where I believe the market may be heading to. So it'll be interesting. We can analyze together, especially New York session is about to kick in. So hold on, guys. Let me just check because okay, let me show you guys. Gold is currently moving down, as you can see. Okay, currently we are moving down inside of this zone as we speak. Okay, why is this suddenly happening? It is because we are close by New York session. Okay, that's it. It's nothing special or anything else. We are just basically close by New York session, which is why the market is starting to kick in. New York session, it will kick in even more lah. But it depends. You see, like this one, okay. New York session, yes, we kicked in, but not really aggressively or anything like the previous day. But again, this is news, so I cannot really say. But okay lah, not so bad, but not so like wow. So then we just kind of slow down. We only saw an aggressive move towards the downside after New York session closed off, and then Asia session we saw a very powerful move again towards the upside. Okay, so let's see how market will be reacting inside of this zone, because nevertheless we are still in a consolidation. Thinking what should I use? Okay, I use this one now for you guys. Wait, let me just mark it off. This one here and make it thicker a bit for you. And then roughly here. No, roughly here. Okay, roughly here. So essentially, we are inside of the zone lah. It's kind of clear lah, clear as day lah. We are currently inside of the zone. So right now, what we're doing, just waiting. That's it. Okay, let's just wait and see and understand how price will respect this level, and if price really wants to make a potential move towards the upside or not. Okay, so ADHD we already spoke about already. Actually, the price action wise is saying that we want to move down still. Okay, we are almost, guys, almost making a potential bullish momentum move towards the upside for AUD USD. Really, almost there already. But this candle closure, right, is 1 minute 25 seconds left. So not enough lah to reach that level and what I'm actually looking at. So I won't be focusing on buying opportunities for AUD yet. Nevertheless, it has already created a certain form of structure for a potential buying opportunity. But I won't be entering AUD just to let you guys know. I'm just waiting for potential opportunity to enter for what? Gold. Okay, but it just depends on how market will react inside of this zone. Okay, so moving on, guys. Let's go into USD JPY. Okay, so USD JPY also. Hold on, guys. I don't know why. Are you guys seeing any lags? If you guys are seeing my screen lag or anything, you guys need to let me know. Because from my side, right, things are actually moving a bit slower. I'm not so sure how it is for you guys. So if it is, I apologize. Do let me know, and then I will see. Maybe I can reset something or what lah. Okay, let me just check for a while because I'm waiting for this potential opportunity, right? So I need to focus. Maybe I might take it live lah with you guys. Let's see, because our goal also seems like we may want to go below this zone level based on how aggressive the market is moving here. You see, 3, 2, 1, candle closure. Okay, currently we are moving down based on 15 minute lah. Okay, oh there, candle closure, and this is a brand new candle. Can you guess it? You guys can see that. Okay, so essentially, we just have to wait and still. This does not mean that price is going to disrespect this zone yet. How are we able to analyze, guys, if price is going to disrespect the zone? Essentially, price has to go below this level. Oh, guys, it's very lagging from my end. I don't know how it is for you guys. Let me just check. With that, give me a moment, guys. This is the first time. Give me a moment. Okay. Okay, let me move a bit. See, lagging. Essentially, I'm watching myself right now. No, not at all. Okay. No bad, no bad. That's so weird, though. Okay, from my end, right, everything is really lagging right now. Like when I say really lagging, I really mean it, guys. Really lagging. So again, if anything is like glitchy or anything, you guys just let me know. I'll just try my best lah for the live stream. Oh, trading view is so laggy right now. Okay, yeah. Coming back to this, only way to understand if price, how to say, disrespected the zone is price must go below it and close. Okay, if price doesn't do that yet, we do not consider this as price disrespecting the zone. Currently, it is not even considered as respecting the zone. It is just considered as trading within the zone. That's all. Okay. So let's move on to just now we were where USD JPY, right? Okay. So USD JPY. Okay. Interestingly enough, okay, USD JPY is also kind of moving in a sideways momentum lah ever since the 26th of August. Okay, we are inside of this range only. We never really move anywhere, but as of now, we are currently bullish. Okay, for USD JPY lah, currently only. However, that does not mean that we could be potentially focusing for buying opportunity as of now, because based on smaller time frame, I am not personally seeing something that I would like to see. Okay, I'm still waiting for that potential opportunity to arise. However, if let's say I'm focusing for buying opportunity for USD JPY, I will forget about gold. Because why? If USD JPY essentially moves up, gold kind of moves in the opposite direction. It's not because these pairs have anything related or whatever. It's just because of the currency naming. Because USD JPY, USD, I remember USD JPY. Okay, this one is XAU versus USD. So what does that mean, guys? Okay, this is essentially gold versus USD. Hold on, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just really waiting for this potential opportunity. That's why. Okay. Let me just wait. Okay, so if USD JPY is moving towards the upside, that means what? USD is kind of winning against JPY, right? But then gold is versus USD. So essentially, gold should be moving towards the downside by right. By right. So I still will have to wait and see inside the zone what I'm able to truly understand prior to making a potential buying opportunity. But as of now, nothing yet. I think in New York session we will start to be able to see something more relevant for potential entry opportunities. But USD JPY as of now, this zone has been created. Okay, there is a zone here, a beautiful zone. Okay, hold on. Let me just make it a bit perfect for you guys. Okay, we do have a perfect zone inside of this level, which price may have to come back first for either, I mean not either, before we really consider this as a buying opportunity lah. It's almost there. Okay, price almost came and touched that, but not yet. At least come back inside of this range prior to us to potentially focusing for buying opportunity. This is not ultimate. Okay, I never draw any ultimates yet this week because, like I said, I even mentioned yesterday, the market is still adapting, guys. Okay, the move last week was too powerful to the point it really, how to say, not make the market confused. Market is not confused. Market knows what it's doing, but all over the place lah. all over the place for this week. But I know there's good opportunities coming this week. I just believe it. I just waiting lah, just waiting. Like how we wait for this trade lah. Essentially, trade come inside of the zone already, and now we are seeing certain things happening. But we need to see will price come back inside of this level and respect for potential buying opportunity or not. And these are the targets lah that we can potentially be aiming for. Okay, that's for USD JPY. Okay, maybe we can see GBP USD. This one, don't worry, guys. This one is actually this one also not really selling opportunity right now. This is all just based on backtesting. Okay, clear it off first. Clear it off. The one you guys that get confused. Okay, so for how to say for GBP USD, right, guys? Yes, we are currently still in a bearish momentum. Okay, for GBP USD, and as of now, we are making one potential selling model, but it never fully formed yet. This is something you guys have to understand. The selling opportunity never fully formed yet. We need to wait actually this candle to close, in my opinion now. Okay, even if you guys want to see based on smaller time frames means right. Yes, something already did form, but again this is a little bit risky. Okay, but I just label it for you guys. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend you guys to enter this, but I can recommend you guys to monitor. Okay, just monitor and see how price will actually react instead of for potential selling opportunity. Okay, because I believe lah, personally I just believe price may want to go back to this key level lah. Something is just telling me that based on what I'm seeing in price action. uh, Price looks like he wants to go back to this key level prior to making an actual decision for this week. Either we want to make a move towards the upside or we want to make a continuation move towards the downside. This is just what I believe lah. It's not the guarantee. Price could continue moving up also, definitely. We can go to this key level also, but something to definitely look out for lah. Because you see, when price is inside this key level, we did move towards the upside, but we didn't reach this key level. And right now, we are making a very slow but beautiful momentum move towards the downside. Okay, now we have a powerful move up, but then I don't know, based on certain time frames, right? I'm not seeing an interest yet personally to move towards the upside as of now. Okay, I'm not seeing that yet, but we do have certain liquidity sweeps which may be able to fuel price to make a move towards the upside. It may be able to do that, but as of now, based on bigger time frames, we are still currently in a bearish momentum. So you see this zone here, right, guys? Remember, this is based on smaller time frames, so it is kind of risky. I won't recommend you guys just to enter based on this. If I want to enter right based on this small time frame, there's a few more time frames that I need to analyze also. Why I draw this is because I want you guys to just look at how price will react. Okay, just train your eyes to see how price reacts. That's what I really want you guys to do. Just train to see how price reacts. Okay, it will really help you guys out a lot, trust me. Even this zone also, right now I draw another zone, right? Okay, just train your eyes to see when price go back inside of this zone, how price will react. When price come inside of this zone, how price will react. Everything about trading, in my personal opinion only, is about reaction. So just wait and see what price will do within these levels. Okay, like I said, I'm mostly focused on gold. Okay, I want to see how gold will perform inside of this zone, and also potentially this one, guys, USDJPY, potentially only. So I want to see only who is the one that really wants to move up. If USDJPY want to move up and is showing me a good entry opportunity, definitely I'll be entering for USDJPY. Vice versa, if it doesn't and gold shows me a very good entry opportunity, which as of now it is not, I just letting you guys know it is not. This is very just powerful candles making a move towards the downside. Okay, but still there is a chance. Definitely still has a chance. Why there's a chance? If you ask me, it's because we never reached New York session yet. Okay, almost there, guys. 20 more minutes, then new session will be kicking in. So it depends who will give me that opportunity. That's the trade that I'll be focusing on. On the other hand, I already shared with you guys, right? For AUD we're not really interested to make a move up yet based on bigger time frame. So I will stay away for a while for AUD. Only gold and USD JPY is showing me a potential opportunity. Let's see which one works out first. Alright. So guys, I think I will just share that much for forex pairs for you guys to focus on as of now, because I want to jump into the crypto space with you guys. Okay, I did some analysis today. Okay, I removed all of this. So this is all based on backtesting. I don't want you guys to confuse. Okay, yeah, I did this analysis today. Price didn't came actually. Okay, so I was anticipating price to actually come back inside of this level. I drew this today lah. Today I drew this. It was based on yesterday's price action. But price never really wanted to come inside. I saw this move towards the upside slowly, but okay lah, very fast, still, very very fast. So this zone is not relevant as of now. Today I'm not really seeing much based on Solana. I prioritize Solana because I thought yesterday the zone was created. Today, at least Asia or London session, we might be able to come inside of it for focusing for potential selling opportunity. Because for Solana, guys, even based on bigger time frames, right, like this one, all right, we are actually moving towards the upside. However, based on like H4, okay, and other time frames, majority, all right, is kind of telling us that we want to move towards the downside. Okay, that's why you can see here I put watch reaction. So this is just based on smaller time frame, but I'm not seeing much reactions also lah. So this one I never really move much. And also in terms of potential entry opportunities, right? I wouldn't recommend Solana. If you can see, what is this, guys? This is kind of sideways. Yeah, I know we are moving up, but you see, candle is not really having any form of directional bias. Even Asia, even London, even this one candle just move strongly for a while. Overall, okay, we don't have much of a momentum, guys. So I would recommend stay away from Solana. Okay, let's go into Dogecoin. Same thing. So I would recommend what to do, guys. Stay away first because why? We have this momentum running right now. So we just stay away. This is one of the targets that yesterday I believe I shared with you guys, which got taken out. So we were speaking about a potential selling opportunity, but as you can see, price didn't come back inside of the zone. And nevertheless, price still went to our TP range now. Okay, so our anticipation for a selling opportunity was correct. It just we didn't get the entry opportunity, but it's okay. Definitely we'll find one for sure. Okay, so same thing for ETH. Okay, so this was a potential target which I shared with you guys yesterday. I know I told you guys to don't enter any selling opportunities because I cannot really see any potential entry models. Okay, yesterday this was a zone that was created yesterday. Okay, and price did not come back inside. Price just rallied all the way to take out this target level. Okay, so there was no entry opportunity. Nevertheless, our target has been taken out. Same thing for BTC, guys. You see, we draw this zone. Price didn't come back inside of the zone. Price just straight away went and take out our first target. This target actually I draw today only, just now. Okay, not just now, earlier today when I was analyzing the market. But the target that I shared with you guys yesterday has already been hit. So I'm still focusing majorityly. I don't know if that is an actual word. I apologize if it's not. But mainly, I'm currently still focusing on selling opportunities, guys. Just to share with you guys for BTC. Okay, BTC I'm focusing for sales. ETH also I'm currently focusing for selling opportunities as of now. Okay, that is why I do have still other targets that I'm currently focusing on, but okay, I don't see a potential entry opportunity right now, because right now what are we doing? Essentially making a pullback to where? Probably the zone that was created yesterday. Okay, probably only lah. We just have to wait and see how price will react. Come, we go back to gold and see how gold. You see, not really moving at all. Is very powerful candle, and then it was basically just here only like this 1 0. Okay, new candle popping up. Okay, let's go see USDJPY. Okay, never come back yet. Okay, it's okay. We still have 15 more minutes before New York session opens. Usually, a good trading time, lah, in my opinion, if you guys want to trade New York session, is either when New York session opens, which is 9:30, or not 10:30. Okay, not 10:30 sharp, but 9:30 up to 11 lah. Agak-agak around this timing is a good time to find potential entry opportunities. If you do not get any entry opportunities within this time and you're focusing to trade on New York session, trade tomorrow. Okay, just leave it be. Don't trade anything after 12 because after that the market will just move very slowly, and then sometimes we will have some form of reversals. So don't trade around 12. Just trade around 9:30 within 9:30 to 11 p.m. if you are trading New York session. Okay, I'm just giving you guys these tips, huh? So that's the same thing I'm going to do right now. Just essentially going to be waiting to understand how the market is going to be behaving and playing out later during New York session all the way up to 11 p.m. and if I can find any entry opportunity or not for today. So for crypto space guys, mainly I'm focusing on BTC and ETH for potential selling opportunity as of now. Wait, for ETH, yeah. I'm focusing on selling opportunities also as of now. Okay, but there is no entry model yet. However, our zone yesterday for ETH price is close by. You can see quite close by. Price is currently here. So New York session we may push it inside and then we can see a move towards the downside. Same thing for potentially BTC also. I know BTC is a lot more of a distance. We do have a bit more of a distance to cover, but BTC if you can see BTC if you can see wow, if you can notice in BTC, okay, New York session usually quite strong lah. See, New York session quite strong. So there is a chance for us to reach this level prior to making a potential move towards the downside. So that's what I'm currently focusing on. So my priorities for today in crypto space will be BTC and ETH. Vice versa vice versa. I shouldn't say that. Wrong word. For forex side, I'm focusing on potential buying opportunities either for gold or USD It depends which one comes first. Because like I said, if USD want to move up and gold also wants to move up, I won't be trading because I know anything with USD pair at the front, okay, gold will usually tend to do the opposite, not 100% flip opposite, but if you're focusing on buys, gold will buy right should be focusing on sales. If you're focusing on sales, buy right should be focusing on buys. If both of them came and show me buying opportunities, I also will not be entering the market because there is something weird, okay, whereby this is not how the market usually tend to behave. I rather just trade properly and safely and wait for tomorrow. Okay, traders? So I think that will be all for today. I will be ending the live stream here so that you guys will be able to understand and wait and focus on the charts, especially when 9:30 hits. Okay, just remember the potential uh, opportunities and directional bias that I told you guys to focus on as of now, especially when New York session open up to 11 p.m. If nothing after that, go to sleep. Tomorrow we trade again. Okay, traders? So I appreciate every single one of you that is joining the live stream. If you guys would like to learn how I actually analyze the market and actually I do this from Monday to Friday, I do have my own personal trading course whereby I go 6 weeks with you guys. Not go anywhere. I train with you guys for 6 weeks, and whatever I do in my live streams, all of my predictions, okay, how I actually find these opportunities, you guys will be able to do the exact same thing within 6 weeks time. If that sounds interesting, guys, you guys can reach out to me. I do have my links in the description below. Basically, my WhatsApp link and also my Instagram handle, which I also do post some trading opportunities if I were to enter them. So, you guys, if you want to follow me on Instagram, also can. I have the Instagram handle below. All right, guys, I wish you all such an amazing and beautiful rest of the day. Have a wonderful dinner if you haven't already, and I will catch you all in the very next live show. Stay safe, traders.